Hello dear, how are you? In problem 4 part 6 we have to find domain and range of the function. We also have a piecewise function g of x is equal to x minus 1 when x less than 3. When x will be less than 3, all values which are less than 3, function is defined as x minus 1. F of x, g of x is equal to x minus 1, and the values which are greater than 3, values which are greater than 3, these are all values which are greater than 3. For these values, function is defined as 2x plus 1. Hence, in this case, domain is also automatically given. Domain of the function is a set of all real number. We write domain of g of x will be set of less than 3 being all values which are left to the positive 3, values which are left to positive 3. I mean to say all these values, not 3 included, but all these values which are less than 3 lies left of the positive 3. And the values we write domain 3 is not included, hence we write 3 up to minus infinite. Union the values which are greater than 3 from 3 to positive infinite, we write 3 to positive infinite. These values, when we take a union, this interval and this interval we will get set of all real number. It is a domain of g of x. Domain of g of x is equal to set of all real number. Set of all real number. When we talk about range of the function, we have to find the range of function for these two portions. First, we find the range of the function for the portion g of x is equal to x minus 1. We find range for the portion g of x is equal to x minus 1 when x less than 3. 3 is not included in our domain, but we check the value of function at x equal to 3. We take x equal to 3. The function will become g of 3 minus 1, which is 2. But 2 is not included in our range because 3 is not included in our domain. Now we take value other than 3 which is less than 3. For example, we take x equal to 2. We take when x equal to 2, we get the function value 2 minus 1 which is 1. We know that as we move from plus 3 to left of 3, when we move from this 3 to the left, our range will be smaller than smaller. We can say that range of function range of g of x when x less than 3, range will be equal to since 2 is not included in our range, but values of range we will get smaller than smaller and it will goes up to minus infinite. We write minus infinite to plus 2, but this 2 is not included in our range. This is a portion of the range minus infinite to plus 2. Again we check the range of this function for this portion g of x when function is g of x equal to x plus 1, the range of the function when x greater than or equal to 3. We take exact x equal to 3 and find the function value at x equal to 3. We take x equal to 3 x equal 3, we check 3 multiply 2 plus 1, we will get 7. 7 is included in our range because 3 is included our domain. Any other value which is greater than 3, for example, we take 4, g of 4, to multiply 4 plus 1, we will get 9. We observe that as we move right of 3, as we move right of 3, the values of range will become greater and greater. Hence, we will write range of function. Range of g of x when x greater than or equal to 3. Its range from 7, since 7 is included, we write the square bracket to plus infinite. This is the portion of range for this interval x greater than or equal to 3, and this is the interval of range when x less than or equal to 3. We write whole domain, we write whole range, we write whole range for the whole interval. We write range of g of x. We write -2 minus infinite to 2 union from 7 to plus infinite. This is the range of whole function. Thank you.